Hey folks, it's Ben. I'm here with the last item of this trash pick set. It's a Honda Easy Start GCV 160, which is another overhead valve motor. My absolute complete favorite mower is my other Honda. There's a lot of videos about it. So finding another Honda at the dump is kind of exciting because it runs like a top. It does, wow, have fresh gasoline in it. I don't know why they're brought to the dump. Maybe somebody bought them a new mower. Maybe everything's just fine with it. In the case of the other Honda, somebody had tightened the fuel bowl down too tightly and caused it to leak fuel, so they got rid of it. It's just a matter of taking the fuel bowl off and rebending it back, reattaching it, and it works like a charm. It's got super dirty oil, but oil's enough for us to see if we can start it. It appears the deadman control is complete on this one as well. Let's double check to see if it does have lots of dirty oil. If it starts and does, we'll change it right away. It does have a lot of dirty oil, so that's fine for now. So it's got gas. It does have the fuel turned off, so we'll turn it back on. Sometimes it's as simple as that. Or maybe it is on. I'm not sure with these. It seems to go a weird route through the motor as well. So maybe that's on. I'm not sure. So let's pull on it a little bit. The wheel's broken. Maybe this is why they dumped it. Last Honda I had, the deck was crap. Maybe here too. And let's double check the bottom. I'll do it against the camera. Yay. Okay, this is worth looking at, so let's flip it the other way. It says it has the quadra cut system, so this is probably factory. It looks like it's got two mower blades attached to each other. One on top and one on bottom. The bottom one's more curved. None of them are sharp. But it's different than the other Honda. My other Honda had a big clutch and brake mechanism here. This one does not. It's a straight shaft right out of the motor. So that's interesting too. I don't know if it's newer or older, but it is what it is. So the quadra cut system. Long story short, I'd take this off, put a regular blade on it. But so that's that. It's got a model number of HRR2163P. DC. That doesn't do anything for anybody. So, but I love Hondas too because they have a throttle. So if we go all the way to choke, it seems to work. I turned the fuel around, so maybe it's on. Maybe I turned it off. I'm not sure. Deadman control. Wow, this would be neat, wouldn't it? Recoil starts kind of crappy. Better. I'm not going to fault it for not first starting. Come on, go in. So the first line I do is see if it has spark or not. But it sounds nice. It wants to start, so we'll have to look into this and see why it's not. Because I can't let a Honda motor die. So we'll put this in the queue of stuff to work on, but if you have any questions, this deck looks like it's fixable. But we gotta make sure it's a mulching deck and not just a rear discharge because it didn't come with a bag. But if you have any questions or answers for me, I appreciate it. And subscribe to my channel, Turbo231. This will be the last of the fours I did for these four items here. But yeah, this one will be fun too because I really like Honda mowers. Catch you guys later.